Once again, welcome back with another interesting and vital class which I am going to discuss of your class 8 mathematics based on the concept of polygon. Okay, and in this class I am going to discuss some of the fundamental concept and problem based on the concept of polygons. Okay, understand? Okay. So dear students, in this class we are going to find out the number of diagonals of a polygon. How many diagonals a polygon has? This is the concept we are going to explain and some problem. Okay. Once again you can recapitulate what is diagonal. A line segment joining the alternate vertices of a polygon. And dear student, do you know how many diagonals a quadrilateral has? Of course. Okay, everyone knows this. But if I ask you how many diagonals a polygon having 20 sides, having 50 sides, so it is a very difficult task for you. So dear students, in this class my concept is that I am going to explain how many diagonals a polygon has, and you can find out after this class. You can find out how many diagonals a polygon has with any number of sides. Okay, so the concept is that number of diagonals of a polygon, and the number of diagonals of polygon having n side is n whole into n minus 3 by 2. Look at this formula, look at this concept. Okay, can you remember this formula? And if you can remember this formula, you can find out the number of diagonals of any polygon having any number of sides. So in this class we are discussing some problems for you, and also an assignment has been given to you in the form of homework at the end of the class, and I hope you will try for the assignment. Find the number of diagonals of polygon having different number of sides. Let us try for the problem. Here the first question is that find the number of diagonals of polygon having 15 sides, which is a pentagon. So number of sides n is equal to 5. So as for the formula, the number of diagonals n whole into n minus 3 by 2, which is 5 whole into 5 minus 3 by 2, which is 5 into 2 by 2. After cancellation we shall get 5. Thus the pentagon has 5 diagonals. And student, look at this interesting diagram. And another interesting fact, you see the number of sides n is equal to 5. Here you see this term factor 1 n minus 3. In place of n you write 5. 5 minus 3 and find the difference. And 5 minus 3 is what? 2. And one of the interesting fact is that you can draw 2 diagonals from every vertex of the polygon. Okay, let's see. Let us count diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you see this 5 minus 3 difference is 2. Look at the vertex, check the any vertex. Suppose this is a vertex, and you can do 5 minus 3 is 2 diagonals, 1 and 2. At this vertex 1 and 2. Every vertex has 2 diagonals, and total number of diagonals of the pentagon is 5. Okay. Let's see another question. Find the number of diagonals of polygon having 6 sides, which is in hexagon. Number of sides n is equal to 6. So the number of diagonals as per the formula n whole into n minus 3 by 2, which is 6 into 6 minus 3 by 2. 6 into 3 by 2, and you will get 9. Thus, the hexagon has 9 diagonals. And you see n minus 3, this factor, interesting fact, n minus 3, 6 minus 3 is 3, and at every vertex you can draw 3 diagonals, and the total number of diagonals will be 9. Let us see. 1, let us count the diagonal, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, and you see n minus 3, which is 6 minus 3, 3, and at every vertex you can draw 3 diagonals. So you see 1, 2, 3. Similarly, you can check at other vertex, right? Okay, understand? Okay, let's see here another problem for you. You have to find the number of diagonals having 7 sides, which is a heptagon. So the number of sides n is equal to 7. So it is a heptagon. Number of diagonals as per the formula, n whole into n minus 3 by 2, 7 whole into 7 minus 3 by 2, 7 into 4 by 2, which is 14. Okay, because you can cancel here. 2 here 2 to the 4. Okay, so heptagon has 14 diagonals. Look at the diagram here, interesting diagram. Okay, and make a design, do an activity and paste it in your study room. N is equal to 7, and the interesting fact is that n minus 7 minus 3 is 5. Yes, sorry, 7 minus 3 is 4. So you can draw 4 diagonals at every corner of the heptagon. Okay, so how many diagonals? 14 diagonals. Let us count the diagonals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, and you see the interesting fact, 7 minus 3 is 4. At every corner and every vertex there are 4 diagonals, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, let's move to another question here. Find the number of diagonals of polygon having 8 sides, which is an octagon, and such a nice diagram for you. Number of sides, n is equal to 8. Okay, so number of diagonals, n whole into n minus 3 by 2, which is 8 whole into 8 minus 3 by 2, 8 into 5 by 2, which is 20. So octagon has 20 diagonals. You see, you can find how many diagonals a polygon has. Octagon has 20 diagonals. And here you see the interesting fact, amazing fact, 8 minus 3, 5. At every corner and every vertex you will find, you can draw 5 diagonals. Let's see, this is a vertex. Number of diagonals at this vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can check. So it is such a beautiful diagram of octagon. Okay, and at every vertex we can draw how many diagonals? 8 minus 3, 5. Let us see here. Suppose this is the vertex. Let us, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 diagonals. So at this vertex, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 diagonals octagon. Such a wonderful figures and diagram for you. Okay, and also you try for that. Okay, so mathematics is full of design and interesting fact. Okay, do it and follow it. So here the total number of sides is 12. dodecagon, we have to find the number of diagonals. You see such an amazing figure and diagram for you, design for you. Okay, so beautiful and so nice the diagram. Okay, so here the number of sides n is equal to what? 12. So number of diagonals, which is n whole into n minus 3 by 2, which is 12 whole into 12 minus 3 by 2, which is 12 into 9 by 2, which is 54. Okay, so 54 diagonal, the dodecagon has 54 diagonals. And the interesting fact is that n minus 3, which is 12 minus 3, which is 9, and at every vertex you can draw 9 diagonals. Look at this vertex here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and you can check other vertex also similar manner. Okay, understand? So this is one of the interesting class and for you based on the concept of polygon we are going to discuss here. And here an homework also has been given to you. Look at the homework in the form of assignment. Look at the assignment here, and also you try for the assignment. Okay, and also do the design and activity over the polygon. So it's interesting chapter for you. And thank you students for your interest and eagerness toward the class. Once again, Jai Jagannath.